Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick Notion tutorial. Today, we're tackling a common frustration: how to make your calendar smaller in Notion for 2025. If you're like me, you love using Notion for organization, but sometimes those big, bulky calendars take up way too much screen real estate, making your pages feel cluttered. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the steps to resize it easily, so you can optimize your workspace and boost your productivity. Let's dive in. First, open your Notion app or head to notion.so in your web browser. Navigate to the page where your calendar is located. This could be a standalone calendar block or one embedded in a database. Once you're there, click on the calendar block to select it. You'll see a blue outline around it, indicating it's active. Now, to make it smaller, hover over the edges of the calendar block. Notion allows you to resize blocks just like you would in other apps. Drag the right or bottom edge inward to shrink the calendar to your desired size. If it's a database-based calendar, you might need to adjust the view settings. Click the three dots in the top right corner of the calendar, go to Properties, and look for options like Width or Full Width. Toggle off Full Width to make it fit better on the page. Pro tip: if you're using a synced block or a template, ensure it's not locked. Sometimes, embedded elements from other pages can be tricky, so double-check by right-clicking and selecting Edit. Once resized, preview how it looks on different devices, especially if you're accessing Notion on mobile. There you have it. That's how you make your calendar smaller in Notion for a cleaner, more efficient setup in 2025. This simple tweak can save you tons of space and make your workflows smoother. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Notion tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or other hacks to share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.